Digital disruption is overtaking our world. It's changing the way that business is actually being conducted, whether you're an office user or a retail shopper, or even in a warehouse distribution or manufacturing setting. Digital disruption is totally changing the way that business is done. As a result, the use of real estate is changing as well. If you think about an office environment, today they're a traditional cube farm, and in fact when you do utilization studies of the office environment, you find that 60 to 70% of the space is vacant. Therefore, the panelists that we worked with today, from Infrastructure Ontario to Deloitte to TD Bank, would all tell you that they're recognizing this high vacancy level and they have to completely change their work environment to accommodate the requirements of their employees and of the demographics and the way that people are working today. In the retail environment, if you think about the fact that people can shop anywhere, anytime, whether you're on a mobile device, your laptop, or a physical store, that dynamic is being called omnichannel in the real estate world and in the retail world. That omnichannel approach is changing the relationship between bricks and clicks. And that bricks and clicks relationship is really important to understand for the businesses themselves to remain competitive in future generations and future environments, future retail. The retail property owners are recognizing this really quickly and saying, what do we have to do as a property owner to understand that change and to make sure that our properties are in fact relevant? When you roll that back up into the supply chain and you think about product that's coming into North America so that consumers can buy it in the stores, that supply chain is changing dramatically. Suddenly now consumers need to have access to product within an hour from their house. So while they may go to a physical store and buy it, they say, I want it at my house within the next hour. And so that's completely changing the way that we would have a relationship with the supply chain in Canada. So when you think about digital transformation, it's completely disrupting business, and in so doing will also disrupt the real estate environment. The Canadian commercial real estate market has a huge wave that will be taking place over the next decade.